Next, we're going to complete this worksheet together. You're going to need a sheet of notebook paper and a pencil because you're going to do some of the work as well. The directions say, look at each picture, say the name of the picture, and fill in the missing letters to complete the word. Rewrite the word on the line and mark it up. So number 1 starts with the letter Y and ends with the letter D. Looking at the picture, that is a yard. So I hear the y, r, d. So that would be an AR in the middle. Go ahead and write yard on your sheet of notebook paper, just like I'm doing, and say the word yard with me. Yard. It took one puff of air, so it only has one syllable, so we're going to scoop it. And the syllable type would be R because it has an R-controlled vowel right there that gets circled. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 starts with a T and ends with a CH. Consonant digraph, so it makes the sound ch. And looking at the picture, that is a torch. So it's t or ch. So that would be an O-R. So torch is spelled T-O-R-C-H. Go ahead and write that on your sheet of notebook paper and say the word torch with me. Torch. It only took one puff of air, so again, it only has one syllable. So we're going to scoop it. Write an R for R-controlled vowel syllable, circle the O-R, and don't forget to underline the CH because it's a consonant digraph. Number 3 starts with the letters SH and ends with the letter K, and looking at the picture, that's a shark. So it's sh, R, k. So A-R in the middle here, so shark would be spelled S-H-A-R-K. Go ahead and write that on your sheet of notebook paper. Say the word shark with me, shark. It only took one puff of air, so it only has one syllable, so scoop it. Mark an R because it has an R-controlled syllable. Circle it, and don't forget to underline SH because that's a consonant digraph. Number 4 starts with the word F or the letter F and ends with the letter T. Looking at the picture, that is a fort. So or, so O-R in the middle. So fort is spelled F-O-R-T. Go ahead and write that on your sheet of notebook paper. Say the word fort with me, fort. It only took one puff of air, so scoop it. The syllable type is an R. Circle the O-R. Number 5 starts with a CH, so that's a consonant digraph, and it makes the sound ch, and it ends with a T. T. So it's either AR or AOR, and looking at the picture, that's a chart. So it would be AR. So chart is spelled C-H-A-R-T. Go ahead and write that on your sheet of notebook paper. Say the word chart with me, chart. Only took one puff of air, so we're going to scoop it. The syllable type would be R. Circle the A-R, and again, I see a consonant digraph, C-H. Underline that. The last one starts with an S-W blend, sw, and it ends with a D. Looking at the picture, that's a sword. So it would be an O-R. So go ahead and spell sword, S-W-O-R-D. Say the word sword with me, sword. It only took one puff of air, so we're going to scoop it. The syllable type would be an R. Circle the R-controlled vowel. And don't forget, we have a blend, so we need to underline S-W.